Matrices, involuntary matrices. In that, what is involuntary matrix? A square matrix A is said to be involuntary matrix if A square is equal to I. Any matrix whose square is I, then it is called involuntary matrix. So assume that an example A is equal to 1 0 0 minus 1. If we do A square of this, that is we will multiply 1 0 0 minus 1 into 1 0 0 minus 1. If you multiply 1 into 1 1 plus 0, 0 into 1 0, minus 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into minus 1 0, 0 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 0 0 1 is right. So A square is equal to I. So this matrix is called involuntary matrix. Such matrices can be exist more. It's one example here. So if anybody given you a matrix and they're asking to find which matrix is this, so by what are the conditions, according to that we will decide. So here A square equal to I, so this matrix is called involuntary matrix. What are the matrices we learned? Idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix, orthogonal matrix, now involuntary matrix. Now next one is periodic matrix. What is periodic matrix? A matrix A will be called periodic matrix if A to the power of k plus 1 is A. A to the power of k plus 1 is A, where k is called least positive integer for which A to the power of k plus 1 is equal to A, then k is called period of the matrix. So like now in this, see here what is the meaning of that? If suppose A cube, A power 4 you are getting A, suppose. A power 4 you are getting A. It means this is can be written as what? A power 3 plus 1 is equal to A, where 3 is called period. Okay, I will show you some examples later, questions time. Questions time I will show you. Okay, so if suppose you got A cube is equal to A, it means that I can write as A power 2 plus 1 is equal to A. So this 2 is called period of the matrix. This 2 is called period matrix. Such matrices called as periodic matrices. Like idempotent law. What is idempotent law? A square equal to A. A square is equal to A. So that example I gave you, what is the example A square equal to A? Example A is equal to what matrix is that? 2 minus 2 minus 4 1 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. See, this matrix is there. You got A square. A square means what? A power 1 plus 1 is equal to A you got. So what is the period of this matrix? 1 is the period. Suppose if anybody asks you what is the period of the matrix, so identifying the period we use this one. Means A square I got A, so period of the matrix is 1. If A cube is equal to A, then the period of the matrix is 2. If A power 20 is equal to A, then 19 is the period. So some such matrices will be there. After number of times multiplying, it will get own matrix. So that decides the period of the matrix. So understood now what is period of the matrix, what is involuntary, identity and nilpotent and idempotent. And these are all are important. Okay, I will show you examples. We will do problems based on that. Which type of questions asked in JEE, we will solve it. But these all are important questions. So you should know the definition of them. Okay, you should remember this. So these are the important, okay. So now here one question is there. A is equal to, such questions they can ask. A is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha is a dash matrix. Now you have learned all the definitions. Based on the definition we will solve this. This is nilpotent, idempotent, orthogonal, what? See here, for nilpotent, idempotent procedure is same. Because A power n is equal to 0 is what? Nilpotent. A square is equal to A is idempotent. Orthogonal means what? A into A transpose is equal to I. But in the option, whenever you find orthogonal, na, try to do orthogonal, because most of the chances are there to get orthogonal. If not, then idempotent. What is that condition? A square is equal to what should get? A. A square equal to A should get. So I feel that whenever these options are there, check orthogonal first. What is orthogonal condition? A into A transpose equal to I, right? A into A transpose equal to I. Let's see here, check it. Once we will check that. Is it clear? This one is clear?
Yes.
You want to write? You wrote, na?
Yes.
All you wrote, right?
The homework question you had given was like A is to 26.
I will tell. That one, which one?
A is equal to iota 0, 0 iota.
A is equal to iota 0, 0 iota. So A power 26 I asked.
Is equal to A.
A power 26 equal to A you are getting? Yeah. But here A square you have to check first. Least one you have to check. In that many thing will be there. Least they mentioned the least one. So iota 0, 0 iota you have. So if I multiply iota 0, 0 iota, what I am going to get here? Iota into iota, iota square. And iota into iota, iota square 0. Okay, 0, 0. Okay, 0 into iota into 0, 0. This is also 0. 0 iota square I am getting. Iota square value is minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Again I will multiply with iota 0, 0 iota. Right. In the time what I get here? Minus I, 0, 0, minus I will get. This is A square. Oh, is it A cube? This is A cube. This is A cube. If I go for A power 4, definitely I will get 1001.
Yes.
Right? A power 4. Very good. Very good. So A is equal to I0, 0 I if I take here. A square I will get minus 1, 0, minus 1. This is minus 1. Iota square is minus 1. Iota is root minus 1. Okay. So minus 1, 0, minus 1. I multiply with again A. So you got minus iota 0, 0. Then A power 4 will you do. Here you get as minus iota square. 0, 0, minus iota square. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So you are getting 1, 0, 0, 1. It means A power 4 is equal to, no, it's not A. It's I got, right?
But A power 26 they asked.
A power 26, how much you are getting?
A.
A power 26 you are getting A? When fine. You have checked it? Okay. A power 4 I got I. Correct? A power 4 I got 5. A power 5 I will get what? A. A power 5 what I will get? A power 5 will be iota, see A into I. A into I means what I will get? A I will get. Iota 0, 0 iota into I. It means I will get A. Right? So A power 5 I am getting A. So what is the period of the function? 4. Right? So if this question they ask you period of the, such question they will ask you, find the period of the function. Find the period of, sorry, function I am saying, period of the matrix. Find the period of the matrix. So if they ask you period of the matrix, so you got A power 5, you got A power 5, you got A, so period will be 4. Period will be what? 4. 4 is the period. So such kind of things we will use. That is period of the function. So example you got. Okay, today only you got it. Write it. Very good.